Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ainur Rafiq. Name is my name is 17076190037. I'm from Business Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta 2024. I want to presentation my thesis proposal seminar. My title of the proposal is the influence of transformational leadership and job satisfaction on organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek. My supervising lecturer one is Dita Purwita, SPD, MSc, PhD. And my supervising lecturer two is Dr. Christian Wiradendi Waller, SEMM. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Method. Next, background of the problem, my thesis. Researchers conducted a pre-survey of 30 workers in Jabodetabek to see a condition of workers in Jabodetabek, whether they were committed to the organization where they first worked or had moved from the organization where they first worked. The result was that 22 people, or 73%, were employees who worked there, the first company he worked for, and the remaining 8 people, or 27%, were those who had changed their previous place of work, which can be seen in the diagram below. It can be seen in the diagram on the side that there are employees who are not committed to the place where they first worked. This shows that there are problems in the relevant organizations which causes employees not to be committed to their organization. I was doing a pre-survey results, and the result is you can looking at the results of the pre-survey above on 30 workers in Jabodetabek. They have different reasons why they moved from their previous company, including some because they were not satisfied with their previous job, so they look for more challenging work, and there were also those who moved because having a toxic boss who only thinks about personal gain, who only gives lots of tasks to his subordinates but doesn't set a good example for his employees to emulate. From the table above, it can also be concluded that the problems faced by employees in an organization are different, causing them to uncommitted to their organization, including because of leadership problems and job satisfaction. From there, the researchers also took the variables transformational leadership and job satisfaction. Research question. Based on the background above, problems can be identified as follows. 1. Does transformational leadership influence organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek? 2. Does job satisfaction influence organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek? 3. Do transformational leadership and job satisfaction simultaneously influence organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek? Next, research purpose. The objectives of this research include to test 1. To test the effect of transformational leadership on organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek. 2. To examine the effect of job satisfaction on organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek. 3. To examine the influence of transformational leadership and job satisfaction simultaneously on organizational commitment among workers in Jabodetabek. Next, benefit of research. This research is expected to provide research results that are useful for various parties. Number one, theoretical usefulness, providing theoretical contributions regarding transformational leadership, job satisfaction, and organizational commitment in HR or human resources management. Two, practical usefulness, namely in the form of research results that are useful for various parties. A. Researcher, B. Company, and C. Student. Supporting theory. Organizational commitment. Organizational commitment is the extent to which an employee identifies with a particular organization along with its goals and desires to maintain membership in that organization. Ahad et al. 2021. And then transformational leadership is the leader's ability to communicate and behave in a way that appropriately elevates the interests of his followers and moves them to look beyond personal interests for the benefit of the group. Ahmed and Nabil Al-Amiri, 2022. Supporting theory. Number three is job satisfaction. According to Dan, 2022, job satisfaction is a general attitude towards a person's work, the difference between the amount of compensation workers receive and the amount they believe they should receive. Theoretical framework. Transformational leadership, job satisfaction, and organizational commitment. Case study of employees at the Faculty of Economics, Ibnu Sina University, Batam. This research aims to examine the relationship between transformational leadership and job satisfaction with organizational commitment. The research subjects were 30 employees of the Faculty of Economics, Ibnu Sina University. The research results prove that there is a positive and very significant relationship between transformational leadership and job satisfaction on organizational commitment. Theoretical framework. A. Transformational leadership on organizational commitment. We can see the journal, the title, and there is a journal that transformational leadership impact on organizational commitment. And you can see the results that both the journal have a significant positive and significant effect from transformational leadership on organizational commitment. Then job satisfaction on organizational commitment. There is a journals too that job satisfaction had a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment. And then transformational leadership and job satisfaction simultaneously had a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment. Development of hypothesis and framework. Hypothesis framework of this research is Hypothesis 1. Transformational leadership has a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment. Hypothesis 2. Job satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment. And Hypothesis 3. Transformational leadership and job satisfaction together have a positive and significant effect on organizational commitment. Research method. Number 1. Research time. This research will be conducted for 6 months, from September 2023 to February 2024. 2. Research place. The location of this research was carried out in the Jabodetabek area. 3. Population. The population of this study are employees who currently reside in the Jabodetabek area. 4. Sample. The criteria used to select respondents were A. Respondents are workers who have work experience of at least 6 months. B. Domiciled in the Jabodetabek area. C. Minimum age 18 years. And D. Gender, male or female. Transformational leadership instrument grid. In the transformational leadership, in this research, the researchers have had a 4 dimension of this instrument, of this variable. There is a pengaruh ideal, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individual consideration. You can see on the picture. And then the satisfaction instrument grid, there is a 2 dimensions. There is a intrinsic satisfaction and extrinsic satisfaction. And then organizational commitment instrument grid, there is a 3 dimensions. There is an effective commitment, continuous commitment, and normative commitment. And you can see the indicator on the picture. Data collection technique. Researchers carry out research using quantitative data collection techniques using questionnaires, so that researchers can collect data in the form of statistics or numbers that can be analyzed quantitatively. Research using questionnaires is made with the aim of collecting data whose results are numbers or scores that can be analyzed statistically. Ardiansyah et al. 2023. Researchers used a 5-score Likert measurement scale with 5 answer choices, namely sangat tidak setuju or STS, tidak setuju or TS, netral or N, setuju or S, and sangat setuju or SS. This Likert scale is used to measure the opinions, attitudes, and perceptions of a person or group of people about social phenomena. Sugiono 2020. Data analysis techniques. Number 1, normality test. The normality test is carried out to determine whether the residual values are normally distributed. Number 2, classic assumption test. The classic assumption test is a statistical requirement for multiple linear regression analysis. The purpose of the classical assumption test is to determine whether the regression estimation results are free from error or bias. 3. Multicollinearity test. The multicollinearity test is used to determine whether there is a significant correlation between independent variables in a multiple linear regression model. 4. Heteroscedasticity test. To find out whether there are unequal differences between two residues. A heteroscedasticity test is carried out. 5. Descriptive analysis test. Descriptive analysis is a method used to analyze data by describing the data as it is without reaching general conclusions or generalizations. Sugiono 2020. Data analysis technique. Number 6, correlation coefficient test. Correlation coefficient analysis is a method of analyzing and processing statistical data used to determine whether two or more variables are related or not. Sugiono 2020. The correlation coefficient formula is in the picture. You can see on the picture. 7. Multiple linear regression analysis. Multiple linear regression analysis is a statistical technique that can be used to analyze the relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable. The formula is You can see the formula on the picture. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is to discover how the independent and dependent variables relate to each other. A. Partial hypothesis test or t-test. Hypothesis O is rejected if the significance stay under 0.05. Hypothesis A is accepted if the significance stay more than 0.05. 0.05. B. Simultaneous hypothesis test or F-test. Hypothesis O is rejected if the significance F less than 0.05. Hypothesis A is accepted if the significance F more than 0.05. 9. Coefficient of determination test. The coefficient of determination test is used to measure how far the model's ability to explain variations in the dependent variables. The coefficient of determination formula is calculated as follows. Coefficient of determination equal multiple correlation coefficient X equal 100%. You can see on the picture the formula of the coefficient of determination test. Thank you. That's it, my presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.